Your coworker just bought a new car. Your friend posted vacation photos from Bali. Your neighbor has a bigger house. And suddenly, your life feels small. This is the comparison trap, and it's destroying your finances. Here's what you don't see. That coworker is $60,000 in debt for that car. Your friend put that vacation on a credit card she'll be paying off for 2 years. Your neighbor is one missed paycheck away from losing that house. Social media shows you the highlight reel. Never the credit card statement. Never the stress at 3 in the morning. Never the fights about money behind closed doors. But your brain doesn't know that. It sees the car, the vacation, the house, and tells you that you're falling behind. So you spend money you don't have to feel like you're keeping up with people who are also pretending. This is how people who earn good money end up broke. They're not spending on what they need. They're spending to look like everyone else. What if you stopped looking sideways and started looking forward? What if you could see your own finish line instead of watching someone else's race? The Finance Reset Toolkit puts your focus back on your goals, not your neighbors, not your coworkers, yours. You set your savings targets, you track your progress, you simulate your future, and watch yourself get closer every week. When you can see your emergency fund growing, you stop caring about someone else's car. When you can see your debt disappearing, their vacation doesn't bother you. You're running your own race, and you know exactly where the finish line is. People using this system stopped comparing and started building. They feel richer because they're watching their own wealth grow instead of watching everyone else spend. If you're ready to escape the comparison trap, tap the link in my bio and get the Finance Reset Toolkit. This video is for informational purposes. Results vary based on individual financial situations.